My name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm super excited to have every single one of you here. You can see this shoulder and the side. This is my future husband with good credit.
Nope,
Kidding.
just me.
Still him. See? Got it bad. Anyways. Today I am here to share with you what I eat in a day and hopefully a little bit of a day in the life of Chaos Jen. We don't really have a whole lot going on. I think we might be going to the grocery store. I'm going to be doing some cleaning, so maybe some before and after pics. Who knows? I don't know. It's me. It's chaos. It always is. I am so nervous. I haven't done a day in a life or what I eat in a day video in so long, so y'all are going to have to bear with me. I do not have a coffee cup this morning because I haven't had any coffee yet, and it's like 10:15 in the morning. We are actually on our way out to go grab some breakfast. So I wanted to say good morning before we got there, and then I wanted to show you this. I already know what I'm going to be eating today. I'm planning on getting oatmeal, and I've seen this on Facebook and YouTube and TikTok, so I know I'm late to the game, but I'm planning on putting this Cinnamon Toast Crunch seasoning on top of it. You can have 1 teaspoon for 1 point. I just thought that sounded really good. Planning to put a little bit of milk in it and some raisins, and it is going to be fantastic. Anyways, let us get on the road. I will definitely, if it's not too loud in there, do a video or minimum snap a picture and let you know the points for the total thing down at the bottom of the screen. So anywho, hello, good morning, super happy and excited and nervous to be spending my day with you guys. I will see you at breakfast. Bye guys. All right, guys, we are back from breakfast. I had the windows down because it's like 60 degrees outside today, so please excuse the fro. Look at this. Anyways, letting it go. On the way home, we happened to pass a Dollar Tree, so I have a fairly decent-sized Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. I did a lot of damage in the few minutes that we were there. A lot. I wanted to get some birthday stuff for Ava because her birthday is on the 9th, and there was just a lot of stuff I didn't realize I needed until I went in there. So let me show you what we got. And I'm just going to pull stuff out of bags. It's not organized or any type of order or anything like that. So, and also you're probably going to hear some squealing or see some hands reach in to snatch stuff because Ava is right there behind you, creeping on everything. So, yeah. Anyway, birthday. We got Ava a crown to wear. I got a couple hats for St. Patrick's Day. I got this one for my son to wear, because you got to have green. And then I got this one for me to wear. It says full of shenanigans, which I know I have like no shenanigan stuff going on in my life ever because I'm calm. Look how pretty I look. I look like a super trooper. And make sure I wear my hair down that day or, oh, geez. But anyways, full of shenanigans. That's where I was going with that one. And then I got some headbands for the girls to wear. Aren't those pretty? I'm going to wear mine like this. See, this ponytail just gets in the way. So these will be gorgeous on their little heads. So they'll have their green so they won't get pinched. Then I picked these up for my son to wear. If he wants to. I might wear them. Didn't realize how well they were going to be like over my glasses. Like you can't hardly see my glasses at all. And green's really my color. Hello. With my hat. And then for myself, I got a feather boa. So I am going to be well protected on St. Patrick's Day with green stuff. Then I got 2 things of Dove Beauty Cream Body Lotion. Picked these up for some giveaways that I'm doing. I did pick up 1 Easter decoration. I love their Dollar Tree decorations that have like the 3 separate squares. I have like the perfect nail by the door in my living room to hang these by. So when I saw this, I had to snatch it up. They have so many awesome things for Easter this year. Oh my goodness. I'm going to go back there specifically for Easter shopping. Like, I could fill my teenage children's Easter baskets with stuff that they have there, and they would not be disappointed. You guys got to go check it out for sure. Bag number 2. I'm currently training some new nurses at work, and we work on computers. I needed a pointer so that I can, like, point to the computer screen instead of shoving my armpit in their face. So I got this. 2 bags of unicorn poop marshmallows for giveaways. Then I got a pin for Ava that says happy birthday to match her crown. This is new. This is a silicone scrubbing sponge for the kitchen sink. Oh, it has a hook on it so you can hang it up too. But it feels so cool. Oh, I got this for Steve since he does all the dishes in the house. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Fine. I got this for all of us to try out while we do dishes. It's really, really cool feeling. Steve needed some hauls because he coughs all the time and drives me insane. Now that's not funny. Stop. Here. Take your hauls. Then we've got another dish wand with some refills. I've got 2 things of the Rose Vaseline chapstick for giveaways. And then I saw a new one. It is the mint flavor or scent. I guess it's a flavor because you put it on your lips and you can taste it. But I got this for a coworker. Couldn't resist it. I know she loves her peppermint chapstick. Got some little bath bomb body wash kits for some giveaways that I have coming up. I've got 2 of the hand masks. I love these things. I got these for some giveaways. Then I also got 2 of the lavender foot masks. Oh, these are so nice. And for $1, when I see them, I stock up. I probably didn't have to stock as much as I did today on everything, but I stocked.
I have to say it's $1.25.
Yes. It is $1.25 now instead of $1. Then I needed some little command hooks. I have a calendar that I want to hang on my fridge and it has a little bar on it, so I'm going to use these to hang it up. Then I saw this. I know I have seen these there a million times before, but I never really paid much attention to them. It's a silicone bottle. Just a squeeze top opening. You guys, this would be awesome for salad dressings or dips or something like that, and just stick it in the lunchbox. It is awesome, and it's super cute, and it matches all of my meal prep Tupperware dishes that I bought and never took out of the box. Imagine that. Get ready for some screams on this one. They had the Cheetos cheesy jalapeno and flaming hot macaroni. Ava loves these. I picked them up. I know you can get them for like 98 cents at Walmart for 2 more cents, and they were right there, so I grabbed them. Oh, wait, it wasn't 2 more cents. It was $1.25. I forgot about the quarter. I would not have paid $1.25 for these if I were paying attention. Because you can get them for 98 cents at Walmart, like I already said. That quarter. Darn it. Gee whiz. Then I've got some dish gloves for Ariana. And I got, these are mediums, and I got a large for myself. Then I found 4 packs of these. These are like wall clings. What do they call them? Backsplash wall stickers. And it's kind of like a subway tile print. I want to use this in my office where I record and kind of put it in the background. See how it looks? And I like the fact that it's just a wall cling. It only costs $1.25, so I can just rip it off the wall when I'm done. But just thought I would add a new texture, because right now I just have these old paint peeling off white walls. I thought this might add some character. So look for that in an upcoming video. Okay, I thought I had more stuff than this. I'm really sad that I spent $50 on that, but I guess it was a lot of stuff, and with that new darn quarter. But anyways, that's everything that I got. I thought I got more. I feel like I'm missing a bag somewhere, but I guess not. So, well, I'll tell you what, that extra quarter kind of adds up. I feel like I should have had a lot more stuff for $50. I should have had 50 things. Well, close to 50 things. Anyways, guys, I am going to go get started on my kitchen. I just wanted to show you what I got. I will see you back at lunchtime. Time for some lunch. Here I am having my Trader Joe's wild salmon and yogurt and mint sauce for 6 points. And then I was craving something sweet, so I pulled out one of my new Smart Sweet treats. These are the Berry Punch Red Twist, and they are 4 points. So we have a total of 10 points for lunch today. Alright guys, I just wanted to take a second and show you the tea I'm drinking tonight. This is my Harney & Sons Hot Cinnamon Sunset Tea. It is black tea with warming spices. I love Harney & Sons tea. It comes in a really nice little satchel. Just add it to 8 ounces of water and you have yourself a yummy treat. Alright guys, you'll have to bear with me on this one. I lost more footage like I always do for my day in a life videos, but I did have dinner. No lying there. So I had a turkey burger. I had that on 2 slices of the Lewis Bake Shop Healthy Life Hawaiian Keto Bread. It's 2 slices for 1 point. Then I had a 1.5 ounce turkey patty. This is not my picture. I did get this from the internet because I lost mine. I topped that with a little bit of crushed pineapple and then a little bit, maybe a tablespoon of the G. Hughes teriyaki sauce. On the side for that one, I had some American potato salad. The American potato salad was 3 points for 3/4 of a cup. And then I had 1 serving of Italian pasta salad. And then the Italian pasta salad was 6 points for a 1/2 cup. I will put both of the recipes down in the description for these. They are WW friendly. Hey guys, it's me. I told you guys I lost the end of my footage. I always seem to lose that. I think I just get overzealous when I'm transferring pictures and I don't pay attention. They're probably on my laptop somewhere, but they're not in the file they need to be in. So thought I would jump in here while I'm editing just to close out the video. I did have a good day of eating. Looks like I ended with a total of 3 points left, which means I ate a total of 29 points, right? 29, 30, 31, 32. Yes, 3 points left. I can handle this math. Overall, a good day of eating. I would have to say that the potato salad and the pasta salad were my favorite parts of my food intake for the day. Ariana, my daughter, made those for me, and they were so yummy. But anyways, I have rambled on long enough. If you guys are still here, thanks so very much for sticking with me. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, that would be fantastic. If you're not a member of my YouTube family and you enjoy WW weight loss content as well as subscription box unboxings, and you feel like you can handle my chaos, then go ahead and click on that subscribe button down in the corner. It's that little picture of me, like, this is a weird camera, like right there, I think is where I'm trying to point. Or just to make it super easy, there's a subscribe button down below and we will be instant YouTube family. All right, guys, that's everything I have for you on this day. I hope you all have a fantastic day. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye, guys.